Hey, what up guys? Anonymous Prepper here. We're on our way to a construction zone where we're going to be stealth camping at a house that's under construction. Alright? We're out here doomsday training for any situation. You guys should be doing the same. We're going to head to the car and get closer to our destination. So come follow me guys. The grind never stops. The dream never stops. Let's go. Alright guys, we made it here to about a block or two away from the construction site where we're going to be stealth camping at. Alright, I'm in a neighborhood right now. I just parked my car in the street and I'm going to get out of here, grab my stuff like nothing happened. Let's go. Alright guys, we're getting real close right now to the construction zone. It's about 1 in the morning guys. Alright, it's about the high 20s, about 28 degrees right now guys. I'm starting to feel the cold right now. So I better find some shelter quick. The wind is like about 14, 15 miles per hour right now. I'm gonna check it out. But I need to get some shelter quick, guys. Let's go. Alright guys, we're coming up to the construction zone right now. Alright, as you can see, there's houses behind us that people live in. It's time to get stealthy, guys. Stealth mode on. We're out here in the YouTube trenches, guys. I won't let you guys down. I'm gonna bring out my glow stick right now. I'll bust out my glow stick right now. Come over here. We're gonna get down. Alright. Record the houses real quick. Alright guys, I found my glow stick in my backpack. I'm gonna go ahead and light this up and we're gonna head to the basement. It's recording, right? This is out of sight from Okay, we're gonna have to show our surroundings. Okay, so turn off the light. I'm gonna set this stuff down here real quick. Be careful. We gotta be careful with this window seal right here. We should have brought something to cover it up. I forgot, guys. We gotta wait here and just chill for like 10 to 15 minutes, maybe even 30 minutes, making sure that no cops pass by or that anybody saw us and called it in, you know? So we're gonna just stay stealthy before we set anything up. All right, guys, it's been about 10 to 15 minutes. Looks like we're all clear now. I haven't seen anybody pass by. Probably gonna wait another 10, 15 minutes. And we're gonna go ahead and set up the camp. All right, guys, we waited about 30 minutes. Nothing has happened. Nobody showed up, anything like that. It's about 1:39, so it's getting pretty late. We gotta head set up this tent right now, so let's do that. Set up my tent right here. Alright guys, I'm halfway through setting up the tent. I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the lights and do a quick lookout. Always gotta be aware of your surroundings at all times. Never let your guard down. Yo, cameraman, turn off the light. Looks like we're all good here. We're gonna check upstairs. Let's go check upstairs real quick. Let's go look at these homes over here. Alright, it looks like we're all good. Let's go back downstairs. Man, you can really feel the wind in here. But in the basement, there's like no wind at all. Let's finish setting up this tent. It's getting really late now. I'm getting hungry. And it's getting kind of cold. Alright guys, well you learn something new every day. I was setting up this tent, but then I just realized you can't really set up a tent on concrete unless you got something to secure it with. So lesson learned, guys. Looks like I'm gonna be sleeping on top of my tent, not in it. But like Bruce Lee once said, guys, be like water. Water goes into a cup, it becomes the cup. Water goes into a teacup, it becomes the teacup. Adapt to your environment, adapt to your situation, guys. This is what I'm gonna do with tonight. Let's take out these rocks. All right, this is how I'm gonna sleep tonight, guys. This is how I'm gonna do it, guys. Yeah, this will work, guys. Oh yeah, guys, and I can't forget this. I can't forget this right here. It's my emergency radio. Might listen to some radio. I'm gonna use this right now as some extra light. Like that. Just gonna keep this right here. Pretty cool, right guys? Alright guys, you always gotta be, we're always looking out for people, but you don't gotta be always looking out for people. You also gotta look out for any animals, any rodents. I just went ahead and cleared up my little camp area, got rid of some of this stuff. I kicked it that way. Remember guys, mice like to use those soft, fuzzy things, and they'd like to take them back to their nest. So I don't want any mice sleeping with me tonight. You know, I don't want them crawling on me. So you always gotta take precautions like that, guys, when you're sleeping outside or stealth camping anywhere, guys. So be aware of that.
Meteorologist John Feerick. Windy and cold for tonight, mostly cloudy down to 26. Real feels though in the low teens at times. Windy and cold for Thanksgiving Day. Clouds and sun.
Alright guys, I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but it's gonna be about like the low 30s, high 20s. It's gonna be freezing cold, guys, outside. Good thing I'm in this basement, so it's not as bad. But it's still cold down here, guys. I'm kind of cold down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some food right now, guys, okay? So you already know. Got my stove top, got my propane tank, got my pan. I'm gonna cook up some food right now, guys. Let's go. A little bit of ground meat right here. I'm gonna be making some burgers, guys. Just put the oil in here. Just throw it in there. That might be too big. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I don't want no mice coming in here, so I'm gonna put all this in there. I went ahead and put some pink Himalayan salt in here, some crushed red peppers, some onion salt, and some garlic salt up in here, guys. Let's just throw it in here. Go ahead and just turn up the heat. Alright guys, looks like the food's all cooled down now. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the bread. Looks like we forgot the cheese, so it looks like I'm just gonna have to eat it just like that. But whatever guys, you gotta adapt to your situations no matter what. In life, unexpected things always gonna happen. Something always has to go wrong. But you gotta be willing to adapt. Don't cry over things you can't control, guys. Show no emotion. Let's get it. Gotta be grateful that I gotta be grateful that I even have food. I can't just be complaining right now that, oh, I got no cheese, you know. Gotta be happy I even got food. So let's give this, although some cheese would go nice with this. Nice little burger here, guys. No toppings, nothing, guys. Let's get it. Pretty good. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make one for my cameraman. He's over here like, where's my burger? So I'm gonna go ahead and give him one. Here's your burger, man. Here, let me put it on this plate. Here's your burger, bro. Here you go. Man, that burger was good. I'm gonna go ahead and drink some water right now, guys, from my container. But man, I'm still hungry. Good thing I brought some extra food. Okay, let's go ahead and put some food in here now. Got some buttered up broccoli that I'm gonna reheat. Oh crap, the thing's popping. Alright, I got I had a little bit of panda earlier, so I'm gonna throw in this panda. Throw it all in there. Oh man, I don't know about you guys, but I got a big appetite. I'm sure we all can relate. Let's put this out the way, we don't need that no more. A nice plate of buttered up broccoli, some rice, and in there was some Beijing beef from Panda Express. So that Beijing beef is spicy. Man, this looks so good right now. I'm gonna go in for the bite. Oh man, the broccoli. I love putting a lot of broccoli. I love putting a lot of butter in my broccoli. And man, when you eat that broccoli, you can just taste all that juicy butterness in it. And the rice, since I cooked it a second time, is nice and crispy. And man, this is amazing, guys. Oh man, that food was so good, guys. But it's getting really late now. It's about to be like 3 in the morning now. So I think it's time to do our last lookouts for the night. And I think it's time to start going to sleep soon. Alright, the last thing I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna see if there's any light visible from outside, okay? So I'm gonna leave this light on. Just like that, okay? Now I'm gonna turn this off. Alright, we're gonna shut off the flashlight from the camera, and we're gonna go outside and see if there's any light visible from outside. Let's go. Oh yeah, you can't see nothing in here, guys. We're good. Let's go back in before we get caught. Yeah, guys, you can't see nothing. I can leave this light on the whole night, and it looks like complete darkness in here. So that's what's up, guys. I'm feeling good about sleeping here. You know, when you're doing risky things and you're not sure if it's safe or not, you're not gonna have a good night's sleep. So I like knowing that I'm nice and safe and I can be able to sleep peacefully. Nobody's gonna run into me or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna start setting up both of our sleeping bags right now. I'm getting tired. I'm getting cold. It's not as cold as the Home Depot shed stealth camping, but it's still pretty cold down here, guys. So I'm gonna set this up. Let's go. I didn't bring any pillows, but something that I love to do is I just love using my backpack as a pillow. Give me my pillow right here. One thing that I love to do, guys, is that I always put a little sweater at the bottom of my backpack. So at this end right here, it's gonna be soft, and I can use this as a pillow. So I'm gonna put my head right there, rest my head, guys. Got my water. It looks like I'm all good for the night, guys. So I'm tired, guys. I'm getting cold. I did my lookouts. Looks like I'm all good. I ate some food. All right. We're out here in the trenches, guys, fighting evil. The grind never stops. The dream never stops. All right. So I think it's time now to start hitting the hay. And if you guys are liking the video so far, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, guys. I got some crazy video ideas in the future, and it's only gonna get crazier from now on, guys. So I appreciate you guys watching the channel, guys. You guys are awesome, for real. And shout out to Jedi Joe. I appreciate you watching the videos and commenting, bro. You're a day one subscriber, and I appreciate your support, man. Perfect, guys. I think I'm gonna be able to sleep good tonight. You know, I love stealth camping, guys, because ever since I was a little kid, I just love survival, guys. I remember when I was like about 8 years old or 9 years old, Man vs. Wild, the first episode premiered on, I think it was Discovery Channel. And I remember watching the premiere episode of Man vs. Wild with Bear Grylls. And I just remember just watching that episode, the first episode. And I just knew from that moment on, I love survival, guys. I love prepping, guys. So that's a little bit about me, guys. That's how I got into this prepping, survival stuff. Is because when I was little, it always stuck with me. All right, so I just love doing this, guys. I think it's super cool, super awesome to be prepping, to be survival training, guys. Because you never know when a situation might happen like this, where you gotta do stuff just like this in positions like this, guys. So I love training, guys. I'm getting my experience up there, and you guys should be getting your experience up there too, guys. So I care about you guys, and I want you to become the best version of yourselves, guys. If you're a man watching this right now, you gotta be willing to give up your life at any moment. No hesitation, no questions asked. Give up your life for the people you love, guys. No hesitation. You just gotta do it, guys. You always gotta be ready, prepared, stay ready, so you don't have to get ready. So that's enough of my rant, guys. Hope you guys have a good night, guys. And I'm gonna start going to sleep, man. Whew. I'm cold, getting tired. So that's it for tonight, guys. I'll see you guys in the morning.
AccuWeather says for Thursday, windy and cold with clouds and some sunshine, a high of 32 with real feel.
Hey, what up? Good morning, guys. It's about 5:52 in the morning. I'm about to get up and pack up my stuff and go look around and see if anybody's around. But it's so cold out, man. Don't want to get up, but I need to. The grind never stops, guys. Let's go. There's cars moving down the street. I don't know if they're the workers, construction workers. I think we're good.
Guys. Oh, I didn't even have it. You weren't recording it?
Alright guys, so something just happened. I decided to lay down and decided to warm up just for a little bit while I was packing up. And while we were packing up, we got woken up by a truck appearing at the driveway where we were stealth camping at. That truck right there. And while that happened, we thought we were recording, but we weren't. But what we ended up doing was exiting out from that back door and walking over there. But yeah, that's basically what happened, guys. We got out of there quick. Basically we got out of there quick. We packed up everything, and sucks that we didn't get it, but that's what happens, guys. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. We just ended up walking back to the car. That's it for the stealth camping mission, guys. I say that was a success. We almost got caught, but we didn't. So looks like that's it, guys. Appreciate you, everybody watching the videos, guys. Really do appreciate it. Make sure you guys like and comment what you want to see me do. And remember, guys, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. And whatever you guys want to do in life, just do it, guys. I believe in you guys. All right. Until the next stealth camping mission, guys. Peace out.